So um, nobody at this point really of significance had left Memphis for the WWF, but the first casualty was Jimmy Hart. And so on this TV episode, Jimmy is managing one of those tag teams, right? The Terminators, and they're feuding with a tag team of the Dirty White Boys, which Jimmy had managed a few weeks earlier, and that's Tony Anthony and Lynn Denton. Pretty good tag team, you know. And they're the good guys, and Hart's managing the Terminators. And so they're coming up on a match where they're going to put, and this is Memphis too, right? Only in Memphis where you put out a pole in the corner of the ring that's 5 or 10 feet high and put a 5 pound bag of flour on top of it. And if you get up there, whoever gets up there can use the flour to, you know, as a weapon on the other team. And so Jimmy's promoting this match. And of course, him and Lance Russell had uh, verbal battle after verbal battle over the years. And Jimmy opens up the bag and he flicks a little bit of flour on Lance. And of course, aggravated Lance Russell is absolutely great, right?
Yeah.
Come on, Jimmy, you gotta, what are you doing here? And Jimmy, it just, eggs Jimmy on. And finally, Jimmy just dumps the whole bag on Lance. And Lance just has it. He's over it.
What
And
in the Sam Hill have you done
yes,
here?
what is going on? And the great thing about this is how they used what was going on that day, right? Because there's so few people there that Eddie Marlin, who would have been in charge of the TV show,
Right.
was not there. And so Lance turns to Jimmy Hart and goes, "You're suspended." And Jimmy Hart goes, "You can't do that. Eddie Marlin is the only person who can do that."
Yeah.
And Lance goes, "Eddie's not here. I'm in charge. You're suspended." And that's Jimmy Hart,
Yeah.
gone from Memphis
Right. That's
for
gone.
doing this act.
And I
Now,
don't think anybody realized at the time that he was going to be gone.
no, because Jimmy did a taped interview later on to promote the match where he actually was, loser leave town type event that took place a couple of weeks later. And that happened in mid-February where it was Lawler and Eddie Gilbert. And I believe, can I find my notes here? Who was the Southern champ? Eddie was the Southern champ at the time. Lawler was chasing the title. And if Eddie won, Jimmy Hart is reinstated. If Lawler won, he gets the title and Jimmy Hart leaves.
And just to kind of put this all in context here, in February 1985, Crockett is not on WTBS yet.
No,
And so the only national television any fans are getting is WWF. They're on USA television, they're on TBS, and they got a syndicated show. And even to this point about Jimmy Hart, the Wrestling Observer isn't really the Wrestling Observer yet. So, I
right.
mean, he was coming out with the Wrestling Observer maybe once a month,
Yeah.
and even was thinking about quitting there
Yeah.
somewhere
Yes.
around this
Yes,
time.
he did.
So it's not like the smarter fans of us, were getting the Wrestling Observer where it said Jimmy Hart met with Vince McMahon 3 weeks ago and he's headed to the WWF. We didn't have that.
We didn't
So,
know.
so when we saw the flower on Lance's head and Lance suspended him, we thought, oh, this is just leading to the next hot story. We didn't
Yeah.
know he was going to be gone forever. Now,
Right.
now,
Right.
well, what do you think about? Was it time for Jimmy to leave?
Oh, I don't know. I don't think so. I mean, I think they could have still played it out.
I mean, Lawler stayed into the '90s.
Yeah, yeah,
And
and
like
I
you
think,
said, their program had been going on 5 years at this point.
yeah, and it wasn't like it was continuous 52 weeks a year. I mean, there were little breaks in there that would refresh it. They did something that maybe a year earlier where J.J. Dillon came in and Jimmy kind of sided with Lawler for a little bit, even though they, I think, even turned that around.
Now, I
Uh,
will say, as a fan at this point, and I've been watching since '72, and you've been watching since 70 something, and we had different managers in,
yeah,
in the Tennessee territory. But after he dumps the flower and Jimmy leaves, it just seems like there is an endless parade of guys that they are trying to recreate that with from now to the end of the promotion.
yes. Agreed.
Does it seem like that to you, where it's just
Yeah,
like,
absolutely. And I don't know that they ever did. I mean, to that, definitely not to that level. And there were some guys who were good. And here they
and
are a
and
year.
and they've already sent Cornette out, so
Yeah,
he's not coming back.
yeah. And he's at this point, was he with Crockett at this point or about
No,
to go
no,
to
no.
Crockett later on?
First
He was
part of '85, he's in Dallas. They're in
still
world
in
class.
Texas.
They don't go to Crockett till the summer.